Hello friends, in this video we will learn about basic functions in Excel. So we'll start with some function is equal to the range. Now max function is equal to max. Select the range. Now we have to find nth maximum. So we'll find second maximum. Per second we can write 2. Now we have to find minimum. Now we have to find nth minimum. Here we will find second minimum. So equal to small, selecting the range, comma 2. Average is equal to average, selecting the range to 6.2. Now count is equal to CO unit should be 5. Correct. Now we have to find here count greater than 40. There is a condition greater than 40. So we'll use equal to count if there is one condition, so we will use if. We'll select the range, comma criteria, bracket close. There is missing, yeah, not is correct. Now in this P column, there are conditions greater than 40 and less than 80. So we will use count if bracket open first criteria range, this one, comma criteria will be greater than 40, comma. Now second criteria range 2, comma less than 80. Enter. So greater than 40 and less than 80, 44 and 55, 2. That is correct. Now we'll drag it for all the students. Corresponding formulas will be covered. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.